Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess. Calm on your Apple Watch. It is surprisingly simple to get started with a game of chess right from your wrist. First, make sure your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone. Then, you will need to download the Chess Calm application. You can do this directly from the App Store on your watch or by using your iPhone to push the installation. This setup takes just a few moments. Once the application is installed, starting a game is straightforward. Simply tap the Chess Calm icon on your Apple Watch to open it. You will then have the option to begin a new game. You can choose to play against a friend, or if you prefer, the application can quickly match you with a random opponent from around the world. Don't forget to select your desired time control, perhaps a quick 5-minute game. Making moves on the small screen is surprisingly intuitive. To move a piece, you simply tap on the piece you wish to move, and then tap on the square where you want it to go. The application handles all standard chess moves, including more complex actions like castling or capturing en passant. For a better view of the board, you can use the digital crown to zoom in or out, giving you a clearer perspective. The Chess Calm application on your Apple Watch offers several helpful features. You will receive convenient push notifications directly on your wrist, alerting you when it is your turn to move. After a game concludes, you can even review your moves and analyze your performance right there. For improving your game, consider practicing against the computer at different difficulty levels. It is a fantastic way to sharpen your chess skills anytime, anywhere.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.